A World Cup opener for India, that too at the iconic Wankhede Stadium. India playing against so-called minnows USA in their opening match of the campaign where they are set to defend their title which they won 2 years ago. What else the fans would have demanded? And when USA won the toss and invited India to bat first, everybody was expecting a total something around 200. And why not? Because India have been playing such a cricket that they have been continuously posting totals most of the time which is beyond the reach of their opponents, and today everybody was expecting the same. But what unfolded in the next few hours left everybody stunned. India lost in form opener Abhishek Sharma in the very second over. He was out for a duck, but still they have a lot of firepower, and everybody was expecting Ishan Kishan, Tilak Verma, Shivam Dubey and others, Surya Kumar Yadav, to make up for the big loss. But it didn't happen. By the end of the power play, India have lost their 4 wickets, and soon after a couple of overs they were reduced to 77 for 6. Hopes were vanishing, but their captain Surya Kumar Yadav was there at the crease, and he got the company of Akshay Patel as well, who is these days called Mr. Reliable, because nobody can forget his innings in the 2024 T20 World Cup final, where he played a key role helping India to post a competitive total. Both stayed there for some time, but eventually Akshay Patel also departed, with India still short of 120 runs. It was a difficult position. India was stuttering there, and they were nowhere close to a target where their bowlers can defend it. But Surya Kumar Yadav has some other plans in his mind. As he said during the pre-match press conference, Surya played the shots which he liked to play. He was eventually, when the innings ended, he was unbeaten on 84 of just 49 balls. His innings was laced with 10 fours and 4 sixes. And at the end of the innings, India had 161 on the board to defend. Now it was up to the bowlers, because the target still was 10-15 runs short of a par target. The last lowest total defended here at the Wankhede Stadium was 162, and India were short of that target by 1 run. So when the bowlers started, because of the innings which Surya played, their opposition, it must have rattled their opposition, and the bowlers with Arshdeep starting with Mohammad Siraj, who has come back to the T20I setup after almost 2 years. They made life very difficult for their opponents, and soon it turned out that it is not going to be an easy target for USA to chase down. They tried their best. To do it, but it was too much for them to overcome the target. At the end, they finished 29 runs short of the target. Yeah, they did give India a big scare. They tried to register an upset victory, but in the end, India were too experienced for them. And with Surya scoring a brilliant unbeaten half century, and then the bowlers, especially Mohammad Siraj, coming to the setup after such a long period and delivering within 24 hours. Mind you, he was not there in the setup for the past 10-11 months, and he was not expecting a call also from the team management, but an unfortunate injury to Harshit Rana meant the doors opened for him. Yesterday he got a call from Surya Kumar Yadav, which he was not believing. He thought it's just a prank from his captain. But when he came here, he boarded the flight, he came here, he saw the videos of USA players and delivered less than 24 hours before joining the squad. And why he was there? Because Jasprit Bumrah was down with viral, and a door opened for him, and he made the full use of it. With USA done, 2 points in their kitty, India will target another win to get closer to the Super 8 stage. For the latest updates of the tournament, please stay tuned with me. I'll keep you updating about the updates here. Thank you.